Hey folks, John Hennessy here from Henco Waterjet. Thanks once again for joining us here today. As you can see, we are here on location with the AccuStream Hypertherm pump, and one of the things we want to talk about today is predictive maintenance. There's a lot of companies out there that are talking about predictive maintenance, and one of the things we want to show you today is how to take any pump, intensifier pump that is, and demonstrate how to do predictive maintenance. What we'd like to talk about today is something that we recommend with all of our Henco customers, which is this. And this only really truly works with intensifier technology. It will not work with your direct drive. So sorry for those of you that have direct drives. Stay tuned for another video. With intensifiers, what we like to tell our customers is every morning, come in, turn on the pump, let it stroke, fill all the way to the cutting head, leave the cutting head in the off position, and hold that pressure for a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, not beyond that. But one of the things you're looking to hear is, does my intensifier stroke? Is it once a minute? Is it 3-4 times a minute? What that indicates is that you have a leak somewhere. And it's a really great way every day to tell the health of your system. Whether you have a leak at your high pressure seals, at your bleed down valve, somewhere in the tubing, in the on-off valve, anytime that that pump strokes, even if it's once every 2 minutes, that's creating demand somewhere in your system. If you start doing this every single day, let's say there's no strokes for a period of time, you come in one day and you got that one stroke, it's a great way to know, hey, I've got something wrong with my system. Excuse me, now I'm going to have to go out and I may have to look at my pump, my bleed down valve, some of these areas that we've talked about, and see where that leak might start to have originated. And quite frankly, it's a great way to monitor your system. The more you obviously start to hear that pump stroke in that period of time, you know you're getting closer to a maintenance period. But it's a great way, again, to monitor the health of your system. All right, so like I said, we're going to go ahead and start the intensifier. You're going to want to turn on the motor as you can hear it. And then we're going to go ahead and turn on the intensifier, and you're going to hear it stroke until it fills all the way to the cutting head. Alright, we've now got pressure at the head, and we're going to wait and see if it does go ahead and stroke at any given point in time. Alright, so as you can see here, the pump stroked once about after 15 seconds. So what this means is we're going to want to go through the system and see where we can find a leak. Let it be a high pressure seal, the bleed down valve, the on-off valve, or somewhere in the high pressure tubing. Alright folks, we hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions on the health of your system or other tips and tricks, check out hencowaterjet.com or give us a shout at 1-833-4HENCO.